The Great Salt Lake in Utah is getting smaller in size and drying up, and scientists are shocked at what they are discovering underneath the lake. The lake has lost almost half of its water over the past few decades, and this trend is expected to continue. With the waters of the lake having receded significantly, scientists have detected several poisonous hazards at the bottom of the lake, including lithium, magnesium, and arsenic-laced dust. There are also several mounds of microbialites exposed and slowly dying due to the lake drying up,